Interim President of NPP Manipur Unit Yumnam Joy Kumar has emphasized on the need to work out long-term plan for internally displaced families who are currently taking shelter at various relief camps and prefabricated houses. Speaking on the sidelines of a program which was held in connection with Ningol Chakoba Festival at Lamboi Khongnangkhong Relief Camp, Yumnam Joy Kumar maintained that NPP leader Conrad Sangma has also apprised Manipur governor to make a long-term arrangement for displaced persons. He added that government must make arrangement for land and build houses there so that displaced families can start afresh with new hopes and dreams. Speaking further, Joy Kumar also asserted that NPP will make efforts to provide land and houses for displaced families if the party joins government formation. He added that other parties also need to make this their priority. He also expressed happiness on celebrating Ningol Chakoba with women folk in relief camps. General Secretary of IT and Frontal NPP Manipur Laitonjam Jayananda also attended the program, which was marked by gifting to women of Lamboi Khongnangkhong Relief Camp.
Government same election laga mathangi laga government laga tanadi adu bawda sigi sumaidon leiba targadi paido kamu mata akoi paigadi khosoidon IDP mayam sinje noigi leitriba kamu sinsidi mayum makai leinaba lam leinaba government gi lenda ko piraga sumaidon tono honagani have sumai thamjage adu the sunatana government of India ko take up toga special package wena prefab sabdi it is meaningless actually emotional attachment like you might be you never be wakal like adu madu gu angana ba adu mu mahinda ko so honagani have thamjage atai leiba party sin jo moino upai amno upai pai gani ai ba Live Theo Kamusi, Taigo, Room said, Masi, Salt over, Adu the Sunatana, Lebum Sapam, Piega, Moigi, means of livelihood said, Lehenova Colonel, put the celebrity in you, I know it's not once again.